Hi, welcome to the broadcast. My name's Sahid and I'm from Saudi Arabia, and that's what I'll be talking to you about today. Let's get started. Saudi Arabia is a very hot place to live, especially for the type of clothing we wear. Our country is made up of huge deserts, coastal plains, oases, and mountains. The average temperature yearly is 78 degrees Fahrenheit. In the summer, the temperatures are in the upper 90s and even in the 100s, and in the winter, the temperature is averaged about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The hottest months are July and August, and the coldest months are January and December. The hottest recorded day in Saudi Arabia hit a temperature of 125.6 degrees. Minnesota's climate is not comparable to Saudi Arabia's. Saudi Arabia has a much less humidity level. If Minnesota and Saudi Arabia had the same temperature one day, it would feel a lot muggier in Minnesota than it would in Saudi Arabia. But if you were in Saudi Arabia, you would burn a lot faster than here in Minnesota, because in Saudi Arabia there is not much cloud cover protecting you from the sun. A rainstorm in Saudi Arabia is much different than in Minnesota. Saudi Arabia gets only 4 inches of rain per year, and the wettest month is April, and its total is about only an eighth of an inch. In Minnesota, the April gets 3.1 inches, and April is not even the wettest month of the year for Minnesota. Because of the lack of rain and such high temperatures, there is not much vegetation or wildlife to support Saudi Arabians for living. But when it does rain, since the soil does not have enough nutrients to soak in the water, flooding happens very frequently. The most common animal in Saudi Arabia is the camel. Other animals that live here are ones that don't need a lot of water to survive. The cactus is also a common plant here because of the type of environment that we have here in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia only has 1% of arable land, which means that their economy is not based off of importing or exporting goods. Many of the jobs around Saudi Arabia are based on the oil industry, since they have the largest oil industry in the Middle East. If your family does not support yourself from the oil industry, you usually farm for yourself and live off the land. 56% of people in Saudi Arabia herd animals for a living. Day after day, they search for water and pasture land. Most nomadic people live in large tents made of animal hide or sun-dried mud houses. If your family does not support yourself by living off the land and you support yourself by the oil industry, you live in a large city in a small apartment that usually does not have air conditioning. And to keep in mind, the average immediate family size for Saudi Arabia is 7 people.